Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix a thumbstick if your dog used it as a chew toy. I found this at my local game store. It was $2 because usually people don't want a chew toy as a controller. So it's just not nunchuck. It looks like it works other than that. And so you can see the grip is pretty chewed up. This is what the normal one looks like. And so all you're gonna need is just a little clay. You can just get some air dry clay. And you're gonna wanna copy the general shape so you can see there's just a small ring in the center of it. So we won't need all of the clay. And we're gonna wanna make sure we've got it nice and warm so just like kind of move it around a little bit. And then all the spikes are gonna make it actually good. Like it'll get like a good grip. Because the little points will be helping it. Otherwise, usually, you're gonna wanna kind of get the lip of it like onto the bottom. I mean, you could just buy a replacement analog stick, but you can just get like some cheap air dry clay, like any. Okay, we don't need this much clay. Probably half clay. And just stick it on. I'm gonna make a tiny little noodle. That should be good. It doesn't have to be perfect. And there we go. There's a really cheap replacement stick. And you can even get a bit creative. This is a like Sonic the Hedgehog shoe. So you could make something of it like that. I made that for the PS2 controller because with my DualShock 2 grip, sorry it's so zoomed in, best I can do. So a lot of this usually comes off. Like if you just look up like PS2, PS1, or DualShock 1, DualShock 2 control stick, the grip falling off, it leaves like a hard plastic one, and it's like, it leaves clear plastic. It's not like a dog toy. It's all not like it's all chewed up. So you can see, replacement one. It's not gonna be perfect. You can take like a file or like anything a bit rough and kind of like smash it with it if you want to kind of recreate the little leather detailing. It's not the best, but it's pretty good. Cheap replacement. So yeah, looking forward to using this as an extra Wii nunchuck. Hope this was useful to you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.